ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲਾਇਬ੍ਰੇਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਿੱਘਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਮਨਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਰਤੀਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂਗੀ ਸਚਿੱਤਰ ਮਹਾਰਾਜਾ ਰਣਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਔਲਖ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅਤੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ। Illustrated Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Birth. The Lion of Punjab, Maharaja Ranjit Singh was born on 2nd November 1780 AD at Gujranwala, now in Pakistan. The name of his mother was Sardarni Rajkaur and Sardar Mahasingh was his father. At the birth of the child, Sardar Mahasingh was in the seventh heaven of delight, and he celebrated the moment with the great pomp and show. He distributed money and sweetmeats among the poor. According to the first word of the Gurwak, taken from Guru Granth Sahib, the child was named Ranjit Singh. At the time of birth, Ranjit Singh was very handsome and lustrous. But the handsomeness did not last for long. Early in childhood, he became a patient of smallpox and lost all hopes of survival. But as it was will of God, he recovered from the disease gradually. But during this affliction, he lost his one eye, and his face was marked with black spots of smallpox. At that time, nobody knew that the boy who had survived with great difficulty from the clutches of smallpox would one day become the Maharaja of Punjab. Mother Rajkaur felt very happy when she found that the dreadful disease, smallpox, had spared her child. In those days, thousands of children were becoming prey of the smallpox. There was no remedy for this disease. As a child, Ranjit Singh recovered from the disease. His mother took him to the temple of Sitla Mother in order to pay obeisance. Then she took him to Gurdwara and there listened the Gurwak and bowed before the Guru Granth Sahib. Due to the illness of Ranjit Singh, Mahasingh was leading a depressed and downhearted life. When Ranjit Singh became hale and hearty, Mahasingh again became active in expanding his territory. He attacked village Pattiyan, Sahiwal, and conquered. He got a big sum of money from those rulers and again returned those villagers to them. In few months, he became very powerful. Now he became so enthusiastic that he could not sit peacefully. One day, he heard that some ironsmiths were making war weapons at the village Kotli near Sialkot. He at once attacked the village Kotla and looted all the weapons and implements available in that village. After getting the weapons, Mahasingh decided to teach a lesson to Raja of Jammu. At that time, Brijraj was Raja of Jammu. During the reign of Charat Singh, the father of Brijraj made his younger son, the Lail Dev, as the heir of his throne. When Brijdev complained about it to Sardar Charat Singh and also asked for help, then Charat Singh agreed to help Brijdev. Attacking Jammu, he installed Brijdev as Raja of Jammu. But during those days, Sardar Charat Singh died as he was mortally wounded by the bursting of his matchbox in his hands. Raja Brijdev had promised to give him a large sum of money for that help. But when Charat Singh died, he did not pay the money. Mahasingh reminded him again and again, but he paid no heed. At last, Mahasingh invaded Jammu and captured the city. Brij Raj had earlier left the city. Betrothal. Sardar Mahasingh became very powerful. Sardars of all the misls were considering him as their leader. After the conquest of Jammu, he went to Amritsar to present precious gifts to Harmandir Sahib. There he met Jassa Singh Ramgarhia. The Ramgarhia Sardar informed him that Sardar Jassa Singh Ghanaiya has usurped his territory. Sardar Mahasingh assured him that he would meet Sardar Jassa Singh for the settlement of his dispute. But when Sardar Mahasingh met Sardar Jai Singh, instead of settling the dispute, they themselves picked an altercation and got embroiled in a quarrel. The result of that was that they fought with each other in the battlefield. There, Sardar Gurbakhsh Singh, the brave son of Sardar Jai Singh, was killed, and the army of Jai Singh fled away. After the death of Gurbakhsh Singh, his brave and valiant wife Sardarni Sada Kaur took the command of the misl. During the war, though Sardar Jai Singh was defeated, but Sardar Mahasingh did not capture his territory. He even sent a message of condolence to Sardarni Sada Kaur for the death of her husband. Assuming the command of her misl, Sardarni Sada Kaur proved to be a good and competent administrator. Though Mahasingh had defeated her husband and her father-in-law, but he never attacked her territory again. He was also very happy on her capable and legitimate administration. Sardarni Sada Kaur was also well aware that Sardar Mahasingh's power was increasing gradually. Therefore, she thought that if she would reconcile with Sardar Mahasingh, then her authority and jurisdiction would remain more safe. For that, she planned that there must be some relationship between those two misls. Her daughter Mehtab Kaur was of 5 years old at that time, and child Ranjit Singh was also of the same age. She decided to engage her daughter to Ranjit Singh, so she sent her courier in the territory of Mahasingh. The courtier met Mahasingh and said, Sardarni Sada Kaur of Kanhaiya Misl has sent me to meet you. Tell me, what message she has sent for me? Mahasingh asked. My lord, she has sent a proposal that she favors to betroth her only daughter Mehtab Kaur to your son Ranjit Singh. If you consider it suitable, then please inform me, so that I may convey your message to Sardarni ji. Hearing this, Sardar Mahasingh became thoughtful. For the final decision, he talked with his wife Raj Kaur. When Raj Kaur heard about this proposal, she at once consented and approved the offer. Sardar Mahasingh handed over precious gifts to the courtier in order to present to Sardarni Sada Kaur. He also said, we accept this relationship, and they should send the shagan, offering at the time of betrothal, on the first day of next month. On the next month, Sardarni Sada Kaur reached the palace of Mahasingh along with his courtiers and relatives. There was already a hustle and bustle in the palace of Mahasingh. In a large gathering, betrothal ceremony took place. After the performance of the ceremony, money and sweetmeats were distributed. Next episode will be of First Battle of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. To read more stories and books, you may visit www.punjabilibrary.com. And don't forget to subscribe our Punjabi Library channel on YouTube. Sat Shri Akal.